Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. I'm excited to bring to market 69 Tabor Crossing here within the Glenmeadow community, offering all the amenities listed at the bottom of the screen. This is a very unique, one-of-a-kind condo. You just have to come and experience it for yourself. We've got a lot of privacy around the side, a beautiful back deck with a screened-in porch. Inside, the first floor offers 2 bedrooms, as well as a study, granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, high-end refrigeration. We've also got a fully finished lower level as well that's got a walkout to a patio. Come on and follow me inside. I want to show you all my favorite features here in Tabor Crossing. Well, I think you'll agree with the over 3,000 square feet of finished space here. It gives you the conveniences of a traditional neighborhood home, yet the low maintenance and amenities here within the Glenmeadow community. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to take a personal tour with me, please feel free to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else in the market for this type of unit, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.